Hi, in this video we are going to see the faculty as well as the non-teaching vacancies notification from the two government colleges, and here the eligibility is the graduation or the post-graduation, and coming to the graduation you are going to get the 25,000 rupees per month as a salary, and coming to the post-graduation up to 30,000 rupees per month as a salary. So really it is a very good news guys to the candidates who are looking for the faculty jobs as well as the non-teaching positions in the state government as well as the central government universities or the colleges. Okay, so please share this video to them. It will be very much helpful. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UG NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. To the present content of the video. So here I am going to show you the recruitment from the two government institutes guys. So here one is the state government, that is government of Telangana. So Telangana Tribal Welfare Residential Educational Institutions, and you may check down. So the TTWR College of Fine Arts, part-time faculty recruitment. And after this one, we will see the recruitment notice from the central government institute guys. So here you may check down. Applications are invited from the qualified as well as experienced men or women faculty in the subjects of fashion design, interior design, and photography to teach at UG level to work at TTWR College of Design. Okay, and for further details, you may visit the official website, and the interested candidates can apply from the 15/5/2021, and the last date is 31st May 2021. Okay, so coming to the departments here, you may check down. So what are the different departments announcing the vacancies? Okay, it is a Tribal Welfare Degree College of Fine Arts, Sirsilla. So the name of the post as well as the qualification required and the experience desirable as well as the honorarium, all these things are given here. So these are the essential experiences guys. Okay, so that means mandatory experiences. And coming to this one, these are the desirable experiences. Even though if you don't have this much of experience, then no problem, please try to apply if you belongs to these departments. So first one is director honorary part-time, M design or else equivalent with PhD. So 5 years of experience and 60,000 rupees. And coming to the part-time faculty in the fashion design, so masters in fashion design or else a bachelor design or else a bachelor in fashion technology or equivalent. So minimum 2 years and 30,000. And part-time faculty in interior design, master or bachelor in interior design or equivalent, minimum 2 years of experience. And the honorarium is 30,000 rupees per month. And the part-time faculty in photography, master or bachelor in photography, minimum 2 years. 30,000 rupees per month, and part-time faculty in the computer science. So MCA or MTech in CSC or IT or equivalent should be able to teach AutoCAD, CorelDRAW and graphic design, SketchUp, etc. Okay, minimum 2 years of experience, and the honorarium is 30,000 rupees per month. And the candidates are requested to visit the official website. Okay, so it is the official website guys. I will provide this link in the description box of this video. And here the click here for online payment and click here to submit the online application. Okay, both these two are given here. And so these are the details, and the candidates are supposed to fill the online application starting from 15th May 2021, and the last date for applying through online is 31st May 2021. And here the application fee is 500 rupees towards the registration fee. So if you are having any clarification regarding this notification, and here the contact number is also given, so you may contact this number guys. Okay, so these are the details regarding the faculty recruitment as a notification for the part-time teaching jobs in the Tribal Welfare Degree College from Sirsilla. And coming to the second one is the central government institute. It is IIITM. Okay, so from this one here the applications are invited for the suitable candidates on the contract positions. So here you may check down, click on this notification, and then we will be directed to this notification guys. So you may check down here. Indian Institute of Information Technology and Management Kerala is a postgraduate autonomous academic institute, and it invites applications from suitable candidates for the following contract positions under various e-governance projects. And the full-time contract appointment will be initially for a period of 1 year and will be extended based upon the performance as well as the project funding. Okay, So first one is the senior software engineer, 2 posts are there. Academic qualifications essential, PU or BTech or MSc in CS or IT or equivalent or MCA, 4 years of experience, and salary is 40,000 rupees per month, and it is a negotiable. And the required skills are mentioned here: Java, JavaScript and jQuery. And the role is also mentioned here, Java web developer, and the role description is also given. And what are the different requirements as well as the responsibilities? So all the things are given here. You may check down, guys. And coming to the next one is junior software engineer. Total 4 posts are there. Academic qualification, BU or BTech or MSc. Experience minimum 18 months, and salary is 25,000 rupees per month, and it is negotiable. And the required skills are mentioned here, as well as role description, and the requirement and responsibilities are also mentioned here. Okay. Next one is project associate or data management, 1 post. Academic qualification, degree with 3-year diploma in commercial practice. Okay, experience minimum 8 years, and the salary is 30,000 rupees per month. The role is data management and the processing support with the local language content management. And a few more required skills are mentioned here, so you may check down. All the interested candidates meeting the eligibility requirements may apply online at this given website. Okay, here you may click on this online guys. Okay, apply online, then you will be directed to the online application portal, okay, of this IIIT Kerala. So I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. Okay, you need not to worry. And the last date for receipt of application is 19th May 2021, evening 4 o'clock. Okay. So these are the few more details. So you may check down. No TADA will be provided to the shortlisted candidates. Okay. So these are the details regarding the non-teaching vacancies from the IIIT Kerala and the teaching vacancies from the Sirsilla, Telangana. Right. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues, okay, who belongs to these departments and who are looking for such type of government faculty jobs as well as government non-teaching faculty jobs. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I'm going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide